now we have our basic outline, we have our budget, we have our marketing. Now we need to really kind of knock out details for the event, right? And the first thing is gonna be your workers, right? Who's working the event, right? If you're throwing this as your club, you kind of figure these things out within your club. But we have a couple of really important jobs, and the first one is the event coordinator, the person that's gonna make sure everything that takes place at the event takes place. Things go on schedule, start and end on time, and the person that is best fit for that job is probably you. So this is a huge responsibility. You're the person that literally is there setting up the event. You're there early. You're making sure everything goes on schedule. You're making sure people are there when they're supposed to be. You're calling people, emailing people ahead of time to, tell them their call time. All these things, you're gonna be like one of the most important people to make sure this event goes on schedule. So my recommendation is assign yourself as the event coordinator, because a lot of this pressure is gonna be on you. Second thing is the person at the door. The person at the door is something that gets looked over. Most of the time people are like, yo, just throw this random person at the front of the door. And if you throw a person who's grumpy or does not have good people skills, you have a problem, because this is the first person people see before walking to your event. If they are really rude to them, it kind of leaves you with a bad taste in your mouth about the event, and maybe you're gonna be grumpy now, right? Grumpy person makes you grumpy, right? So make sure that this is a pleasant person and someone with good people skills and is also sharp in their head, because they're dealing with money, right? If they have trouble counting, then they probably shouldn't be at the door. Also, give them a backup person, right? Someone that could stamp people's hands, put wristbands on, etc. Sometimes when the line builds, it gets difficult for them. Third person is gonna be people taking registration. Have them, tell people where to sign up for their crews. If you guys have release form, liability or video release forms, make sure that the person that gets those signed, gets those in, and then you're pretty much set for the door. The third set of workers is someone that could actually work the booth that's gonna be selling water, drinks, snacks, all that. Just someone that, again, same thing, make sure they can count money and knows what they're doing. And the last set of people that is also extremely important is gonna be what's called runners. People that can kind of float around and help where help is needed, right? As the event coordinator, you're gonna oftentimes be on the stage, and it's gonna be tough for you to go back and forth all the time. So the runners can kind of help float back and forth, communicate. If you need to make a run to the store, they could go to the store and get whatever you guys need. Just kind of make sure that everything goes smoothly.